All Forgotten Souls. On va aller voir Kalia. Pourquoi elle me demande de me voir? Donc c'est bizarre.
Huh?
Pardon, commandante. Alors, je précise, c'est un jeu en anglais sous-titré anglais. Ça, vous savez à peu près à quoi vous en tenir pour le reste du jeu. En fait,
A machine.
pardon. En fait, j'expliquais dans la vidéo en fait, que c'est la quatrième partie sur les 4 parties que compte ce jeu. Et que normalement, d'ici peut-être 1h30, 2h, on aura terminé le jeu, je pense. Peut-être. Je ferai plusieurs vidéos pour vous expliquer ce que j'ai ressenti en toutes ces aventures.
Yes.
Bonjour. Et pour qu'en fait, j'apprécie énormément ce jeu en fait. Pour résumer, hein. Voilà. On va aller voir Kalia. Kalia c'est par là. Elle m'a demandé de la voir en soirée. J'ai pas compris pourquoi. Ok. Bon.
Greetings.
Bonsoir. Et en fait, là actuellement, vous avez donc une armée qui souhaite détruire la ville et la balise pour laquelle vont bannir en fait les éthérés. Je vous fais un résumé du jeu en fait, si vous préférez. Alors c'était par ici. Et en fait, je vais vous montrer quelque chose qui change par rapport à Skyrim.
Walk blessed.
Merci beaucoup. Donc en fait là, c'est donc la capitale Ark. Donc ça pour se déplacer n'importe où dans la capitale. Et l'autre ville c'est en dessous d'Ark, donc la capitale. Et là vous avez toute la carte du jeu. Donc vous voyez ça va jusque là quand même, c'est énorme. Hein. Donc vous avez tout ça. Tout ça. Ça en fait des kilomètres 1. Bon, j'ai trouvé Kalia.
Saira, you came.
Bien sûr. Vous m'avez demandé de venir, je viens. Vous avez l'air surprise.
Do I? Never mind. Impressive, isn't it? From here it all seems so peaceful. As if there'd be no enemy army just in front of our gates. As if all this, the cycle, the high ones, the Naramis, were just imagination.
Bah, j'en suis ravi. Une pause après tout cela me fait du bien.
So am I. I wanted. Do you want to hear something funny?
Allez-y.
The two of us, even though we haven't known each other for that long, we've been through a lot. We underwent the Sigil's trial, we fought our way through ancient ruins, and we found the forgotten home of the Star People. I'd say we make for quite an unusual couple, right? But still, what I'd like to ask of you tonight, I'm ashamed to. It seems so out of place, so mundane.
Bien mondaine me semble bien pour changer. Qu'est-ce que vous voulez faire?
Just follow me. I'll tell you when we get there.
Bon. Bon, ben je te suis. Bon. Et oui, le pauvre garde, il est 1h50 du matin. Le pauvre, donc bon, je comprends qu'il baille un peu. Hein. Et donc en fait, pour le moment, en fait, la capitale, donc la ville d'Arc, et l'autre ville sont protégées par des sorts, par une barrière magique, si vous préférez. Et là, on sait pas du tout ce qui va se passer. Et pourquoi elle me demande de l'accompagner? Donc je suis en train de suivre Kalia. Kalia, qu'est-ce qui vous arrive? Mais... Ah, c'est bon. Ok. Et avec courage, garde de la ville. Tu vas t'en sortir.
Huh? Can I help you?
Non, c'est bon, j'ai pas besoin d'aide. Je te remercie beaucoup. On va au quartier étranger. Le quartier par lequel on rentre au tout début du jeu là. Ah ouais? Bon, très bien. Ah oui, c'est vrai que ce n'est pas une gardienne de l'ordre, comme d'habitude.
Monsieur?
Oh,
Yes?
Oi, you there. Don't look at me like that. Looking for trouble, eh?
My sir?
quoi? C'est quoi ce délire?
Not now, please.
The Nighthawks. They're a small minstrel group from Duneville, and they came here to play despite the situation.
Eh ben, vous aimez la musique? C'est la première fois que je vous entends ça.
I guess I always have.
Que je vous entends le
I've
dire.
just never permitted myself to enjoy it before. It seemed so useless. But then I realized there's a point where you've done everything you can. And be honest, Sierra, we don't know what the next few days or even hours will bring us. We could die. And if that should happen, I want to be able to say, yes, Kalia, you gave your life for something meaningful. You pursued your ideals until the very end. But despite all that, you didn't forget to just let go from time to time. You didn't forget to live, or to love.
Une belle pensée.
Yes. So, Saira, let's dance together. For tonight, let's just forget about everything else. The high ones, the cleansing, all the things we've had to see. It does. Like a damn good one.
Malphas's blessing. Huh? What do you want? Huh? What do you want?
Oula.
Our ancient world seemed newborn in his eyes. No place could keep him, he yearned from the skies. He abandoned
Que s'est-il passé?
that marvelous foresaw.
Ah ouais, carrément.
Rode a path of his own.
Attends, je vais quand même me remettre mes habits parce que bon. Eh oh. Eh oh. Peu de tenue toi, hein. T'as pas honte? Non mais oh. L'autre qui rote carrément. Je te jure. Bon, tant pis, c'est pas grave. Et le sac, normalement, je vais l'avoir ici.
And he strayed in the void as the wayward wanderer.
Dors bien, Kalien.
Sing the path
The best wine in all of Endor.
Yet the
Come,
dreams
give
that
it a
he
try.
sought in the deep red afterglow were as distant as ever before.
Malphas's blessings.
He did find a home in the city.
Je vais aller assister au comment ça s'appelle comment ça s'appelle l'enterrement, la cérémonie des funérailles. Eh oui. Pauvre Yay là. Les jams. Eh ben, c'est triste, hein. C'est-à-dire qu'ils sont morts, hein. C'est triste, hein. Mais j'ai quand même bien aimé le côté château dans le ciel du jeu. Ah, c'est ici. D'accord.
And so the circle closes, as it does for these three virtuous souls we are mourning today. But fear not, for they gave their life for a just cause, for the greater good, and will thus be walking on the endless paths forever, together with our Lord Malthus. Magistra Jaela, keeper of the third sigil and master of the archives. Stalwyn Willowsong, keeper of the first sigil. And Legion Lightman Novice. May the Lord receive your souls today and grant you that you may walk the paths for eternity.
Oh, just shut up, won't you? As if you believe any of this yourself.
Keeper, you...
Malthus is dead. Our Lord is dead. And if even he could not last through the ages, how is he supposed to lead us along the eternal paths? A dead god?
Take her away.
Yes, just go on. Close your eyes and pretend that none of this is happening. It's what you've always been good at. The cleansing is our punishment, don't you see? The punishment because we failed the Lightborn. That we let someone kill them. And the High Ones will take us all. Do you hear me? They will take us all.
Keep going.
But...
Keep going!
Magistra Jaela, keeper of the third sigil and master of...
Ah. C'est pas très approprié pour gagner un niveau, ce moment-là. Zut.
Archives. Stalwyn Willowsong, keeper of the first sigil. And Legion Lightman Novice. May the Lord receive your souls today and grant you that you may walk the paths for eternity.
Attendez. Bon, là on voit rien du tout, hein, parce que c'est de nuit. On va prendre ça. Ouais, ce sera mieux comme ça.
My dame? Well, isn't this a surprise? Where are you headed?
To the theater. Have you heard the news? Till the next...
Il n'y a pas du tout de... Comment on peut dire ça? De... Déportation? Ah, c'est... Alors, Temple du Soleil, c'est là où se trouve en fait le quartier général de l'ordre pour lequel je suis employé. Bon, je vais arrêter, je vais pas embêter en fait. C'était alors à propos de... C'est différent avec Matarin. On va dormir. Attends, c'est marqué quoi la quête? On va laisser reposer, ouais. C'est bon. Je les habille, on va dormir. Allez, 3h du matin. On repille, allez. Plus un peu tard. Hein. On va laisser Kalia dormir tranquillement elle aussi. Ce sera mieux. J'avoue, je m'attendais pas du tout avec ça avec elle. Hein. Eh ben. On va redormir. Attends. On va dormir 18 heures de plus. On va bien dormir, bien se reposer. Après, on se rend d'attaque.
Unreliable. That's what they are.
Arrête de gueuler, toi. Oh, punaise. J'aime pas quand les gens hurlent. Comme ça. Ah, ah oui. Alors qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Je dois retrouver Kali au temple du soleil près de l'Emporium. Ok.
Huh. You're the one they call. Hello.
Bonjour.
Saira, it's good to see you. So, are you ready? The Grandmaster said by tonight Sharim should have deciphered the old maps.
Ouais.
Alright then, let's wait until nightfall.
Ok. Très bien.
Go on ahead, I'll follow.
Donc c'est ici. Très bien. Pas en Kali. Excusez-moi.
Prophet, there's good news. We were able to decipher the Starling's maps, and we now know where to find the City of a Thousand Floods.
Ah oui, et c'est où?
Sharon was just about to explain. Sharon?
Yes. I suppose you already know that Vin hasn't always been like it is now. In the time of the Pyreans, it was one big continent, which they called Pangora. Only the Starfall and the era of Azateron's madness split it apart. In other words, the Pyreans dominated the entire world as it was back then. It was a world empire. However, until recently, we always thought that the Empire's capital, the City of a Thousand Floods, was situated somewhere near where Kira is today. We were wrong about that. It was here, in Endoral.
Here?
Here, beneath our feet, to be precise.
Under Ark?
Yes. We don't know whether it was a coincidence that Malfa's vassals set the foundation of Ark here, out of all the places they could have. But they did. The heart of the Pyrean Empire was here, right where we stand. Only it's buried now. Hardly.
Sadly, the Order never cared much for archaeology. We considered it a useless endeavor. And even if there had been private undertakings, the dangers such an expedition posed, let alone its costs, would have scared off most investors.
But still, you're right. If the Order would have bothered, we could have saved ourselves a lot of trouble. However, it doesn't matter now. What matters is we now know where the last cleansing took place, and that it's somewhere we can reach.
Très bien. Nous devons donc y descendre. Mais comment? Il faudra des années pour creuser si profond. Ben ouais. S'il faut des années pour creuser, c'est difficile, hein?
True. But there might be another way. Do you know the myth of the Black Guardian? The Andralians believe that there is some kind of demon deep down below the surface, and that you can even hear him scream if you just listen carefully. Rubbish, of course, but I think that these screams are the sound of wind. And if there's wind...
There are tunnels. So are you suggesting that the Undercity's cavern reaches that deep? Into the City of Floods?
Into what is left of it. All we need to do is find an entrance point that can lead us down.
Then we leave without further delay. There's no point in leading an army down there, so the four of us will go alone. Prophet, speak to the Archmagister and tell him to give you the word of the dead and the container for the Numinos. We will need both. He's at the beacon.
Shouldn't we at least think this through before we go? We
Ready your equipment. We'll meet at the gate to the Undercity.
D'accord, très bien. Donc je dois y voir l'archimystère à la balise. Donc je dois donc vous présenter la balise. Qui permet en fait de pouvoir purifier les éthérés. En tout cas, les anéantir. Pardon. Alors. Donc là voici. Avec le troisième petit rituel noir que vous voyez identique dans Skyrim. Qui vous permet d'allumer en fait la balise que vous voyez. Et c'est pointé vers le ciel. Donc c'est quand même très bien fait. Alors le pointeur me dit d'aller, le curseur me dit d'aller voir telle personne.
Oh, aren't you... never mind. How can I help you?
Je cherche l'archimysteur Madik qui est ici.
He was, but he went to get something. Why don't you wait until he comes back? I have to admit that it's a great honor to finally meet you in person.
Merci.
You know, when all this started, when the Grand Master exalted you, I thought it was a sin, granting an Outlander what we have to fight so hard for. But now, phew, I think Malthus, or whoever sent you, that he did. We owe you a lot. Really.
Je fais ce que je peux.
And you're modest, too. Say... may I ask you something?
Dites voir.
It. The beacon. Do you really think it'll work? I mean, I'm just a novice, but... if it can really banish the High Ones, how come the Pyreans couldn't save themselves? I just don't understand.
Je comprends que tu aies des doutes, mais ça a marché, crois-moi.
You know, I lost someone not too long ago. It was the Naramis, under the command of that butcher Korik. My family has a small farm near the coast, and when the first of the Naramis ships landed, I immediately rode to them, to get them into the city, into safety.
Et que s'est-il passé?
I'm sorry. This isn't easy. Our farm. It's on a small cliff near the farmer's coast. Just a few miles from Ark. I already had a bad feeling when I set out. And then I saw the smoke. And then there was that smell. And...
Quelle odeur?
the smell of burnt meat. It was everywhere. I rode faster and faster, and then, when I got to the house, I saw that it was on fire, and that someone had put up 3 crosses, and they were burning too. My mother, my father, and my sister, they were still alive, you know? And I just stood there, and there was nothing I could do. Do you understand? Nothing. And it doesn't matter how I try to look at it. It all amounts to one thing. I was too weak. I was too late, and I was too weak. That wouldn't have happened to you, would it? You would have done something. You would have saved them. Just as you'll save us. If I could just be more like you, then Your flesh. Yes, that's it. All I need is a piece of your flesh. And nothing like that will ever happen again.
T'es pas sérieux, reste où tu es là. Oh.
But why? Is that so hard to understand? I don't want much, just a small piece of it. But you just don't want to share, isn't that it? You want it all for yourself. Because you're vain. And in all your damn vanity, you don't even see the futility of the whole thing. The beacon won't burn. It never will. Thousands have tried it before you. Thousands who are as arrogant as you are. And they all failed.
How did they say? Just let yourself fall.
Because the light will burn you. It will devour you. Until there's nothing left of you. Nothing but burnt flesh.
Nice and crisp. You're familiar with that, aren't you?
Prophet.
My mouth. We need to stop them.
Mais pourquoi ils essaient de nous attaquer?
By the name of the sun. They were possessed. How is that possible? I thought the sigil stone protects us.
Et tu vois que ça ne fonctionne pas. Qu'en est-il de la balise? À quel point est-elle endommagée?
Oh, of course. Wait. Oh, the damage is within acceptable limits. Nothing we shouldn't be able to repair. But wait, what is that noise?
Ouais, il y a un énorme bruit, oui. Là, c'est quoi ça?
Oh, by the righteous path. I think you should see this.
What in blazes happened here? And what is that noise?
The Neramis. They are in the city. Their entire army.
What? No. This is impossible. This is impossible! And this? What's the meaning of this bloodbath?
I don't know, Grandmaster. The High Ones somehow were able to possess the Keepers here. They tried to destroy the beacon and kill the Prodigy.
What? But the stone, we...
Grandmaster, you have to see this.
What? That the Nerimes are in the city? I know that already.
No, we know how they did it. The true Chessa betrayed us.
Nonsense.
It's the truth. She and almost a third of the Keepers followed Bartar's example. Come, you should hear it for yourself.
C'est quoi ce délire encore? Est-ce que je peux pas recharger mes armes? Ok, il me reste encore ça, l'autre. Ouais.
I ordered that the temple gates be closed right away and positioned archers on the battlements.
At least for now, none of these Neramis bastards will enter the temple.
Allez-y, hein. Ouais. Une armée entière, ça craint. Je sais pas tout ce qui s'est passé, mais ça craint, Bax. C'est bon. Ils nous suivent. Hein.
There, she survived it.
Open your eyes, traitor.
What? Hi, Grandmaster. I am so sorry. It shouldn't have happened like that. Oh, my Malphas. What have I done?
Tell us what happened.
Of course, Grandmaster. I will. The Trichessa, she contacted Korak and asked for...
Relax. She's bleeding to death, Grandmaster. We need to get her into the curarium.
We will, once we're done. Continue. The Trichessa arranged a meeting with Korak. What did she want from him?
A truce. She offered him the city. If he would promise not to harm anyone. She had this stone. You know, the sigil stone that protects us keepers from the High Ones. Korak, he agreed. But once the gates were open, he...
killed everyone.
Yes, the Trichessa. He just... Even though she kept her end of the bargain. Then they swarmed into the city and... Oh, my Malphas, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Take her to the Curarium.
Yes, of course, Grandmaster. Lirim, Yetta, bring me a stretcher.
Wait. You have to forgive me. I mean, we only wanted the best. You have to believe me. Please don't let me die as a pathless. Please.
I forgive you. Now go.
Yes, of course, Grandmaster.
What are your orders, Grandmaster? We aren't many, but if we use cunning, we might be able to drive them back out of...
We will not. We are no more than 6 up here, and the Narimis are thousands. And both our black powder and our boiling oil are in the barracks.
Then it's over. We have lost.
What? No! Nothing is over! They can't be that far into the city yet. We only have to drive them out of the gates and then...
And how exactly are you planning to do that? By loading the cannons with sugar mint and shooting balls of herbs at the Naramis? Great idea, really.
You sodding!
Quiet! Marajil and Sharim are right, Commander. Ark is lost. But our war against the High Ones isn't. The beacon still stands, and it will continue to do so as long as we hold the temple. We've lost the battle, yes, but not the war. All we need is the Numenors, and then the beacon will be lit.
And what then? I don't think Korak will withdraw once we've destroyed his vision of this ascent.
Correct, he won't. Which is why we will surrender.
What?
It is the only way. As I said to the Trichessa before, this war is about more than just us. If we choose to give up now, or if we choose to fight and die down there, Korak will destroy the beacon either way and let the cleansing happen. We will prevent that at all costs. Which is why we will find the Numenors, light the beacon, and then surrender.
But Korak will kill us all.
Yes, he will. We will die, but there is no alternative. Korak isn't man enough to participate in the battle himself. So even if we were to break out and fight, all we would do is kill his delusional soldiers. And their deaths would be as pointless as this entire war. Once the High Ones are vanquished, we've done our duty. That's it.
But no! We are warriors, and true warriors fight! You've said that!
True warriors ask questions. Like the question, when does a battle for ideals become nothing more than a battle for vanity? Those soldiers down there, Commander, they are nothing more than butchers. But we are more than that. But I will not stop you. As soon as the beacon is lit, you're free to flee. But for now, you will hold this place at all costs while we search for the Numenors. Archmagister, do you have the word of the dead?
I do, yes. How do you plan to get into the Undercity from here? The entire city is swarming with Corex's soldiers.
Leave that to me. Commander Aaron, gather the remaining Keepers and Arcanists. I will address them.
Allez, on va assister à ton discours. Et alors?
You all know what has happened. We were betrayed by our own brothers and sisters. As we speak, people are dying, slaughtered by the Nerimes, who think we are their enemy. And I know what you are feeling right now. Anger. Anger aimed at those in our ranks who did this to us. But you're wrong. Despite their deed, they wanted to protect us, to fulfill their holy duty. And the same applies to Koarek and his soldiers. Yes, they are deluded. Yes, they have committed crimes past redemption, but they, too, only did what they thought was right. If there is someone to blame in all this, it's the High Ones, and no one else. They, brothers and sisters, they are the ones responsible. They have no mind, no compassion, no soul, and their only reason for existing is to destroy. They are cowards who act out of the shadows and play us against each other like puppets on strings. And right now, they think they have won. They think they can defeat us. But they will fail, because we are still here. We have the beacon, the only thing capable of stopping all this madness, and that is exactly what we're going to do. After that, you are free to go. Flee, fight, do whatever you think is best. I myself will surrender, because every drop of blood spilled after we have done our duty and destroyed the High Ones is useless. And even if the Nerimes kill me, my death will be a sign. A sign that people like Koarek will never understand. Hatred breeds hatred. This is what history has taught us, and this is what makes the High Ones strong. Stand by me when the time comes, or go. But until then, fight.
Wherever you look, where is this supposed to lead?
Thou art my light.
Let's hope he knows what he's doing.
It's just madness, all of it.
On va pas aller dans les souterrains. Allez, il est déjà arrivé là-haut. Ok, très bien. Il n'y a rien ici, tu n'as rien. On va quand même avancer. Alors c'est... Non, c'est par là, peut-être par là. Ah, c'est pas par là? Non. Ah, d'accord. Bon, on va aller retrouver le grand maître. Quelle tristesse tout ça.
And there she goes. 4,000 years this city has stood. And now she is aflame. It is a tragedy.
Vous avez dit aux autres que nous allions tout Limnos, mais comment comptez-vous entrer dans l'autre ville avec les Nériméens dans les rues?
There is another way. I suppose you already know that the Order was never proud of the fact that something like the Undercity exists. And due to your dealings with the Relata, you also know that we, the Order, had an informal agreement with them. They rule the underground and we rule the surface. In reality, however, this is only half the truth. We never handed over the reins entirely. There is a Plan B in case things get out of control and the Undercity's inhabitants revolt, like they did once during the Blood Moon riots.
Un plan B. J'ai ma petite idée de ce que ça veut dire.
Probably. I will make it short. There's a set of tunnels throughout the King's Mountain on which this temple was built, and they lead all the way down into the Undercity. They were built to release poison gas into the entire cave system.
Donc en d'autres termes, si l'autre ville s'était de nouveau révolté, vous les auriez tous tués. Et laissez-moi deviner, votre plan est d'utiliser ces tunnels pour vous faufiler dans l'autre ville.
Down and back up again, yes. The Nerimes do not know about these tunnels, and when they find out, it will be too late. We descend, we find the Numenors in the City of Floods, and we light the beacon. After that, you know what I will do. There is a way into the tunnels through the dungeons of this temple. Meet me and Sharim there once you're ready to depart. And bring your beloved with you. Prepare yourself. We will meet in the dungeon.
Ok. Comment il sait que je saurai que Kalia, lui? Hein? T'es un espion, c'est ça? Ah, c'est pas le bon. Allez. Le plus important, c'est d'essayer de résoudre cette crise. On va sauter. Tac. Donc c'est par ici. Donc c'est le même auteur graphique que Skyrim. Les mêmes graphismes, même si notre histoire, comme on l'a très certainement compris. Alors ça c'est bon. Ouais, il est un peu sombre le jeu. Je m'en excuse par avance.
Saira.
Le grand maître m'a demandé de venir vous chercher. Sharim et lui attendent dans les donjons du temple. Êtes-vous prête?
Yes, I am. What did he say? How is he planning to get us down into the Undercity?
Il y a des tunnels dans la montagne. Ils étaient destinés à envoyer du gaz empoisonné dans l'autre ville au cas où c'est révolterait. Nous allons les utiliser pour descendre.
So a system designed for genocide turns out to be our path to salvation. If fate has anything, it is a sense of humor. Anyway, there is one thing I wanted to ask you before we set out. If things happen as Aranthael thinks they will you surrender to Quarak?
Franchement, je comprends son point de vue, mais je vais pas gaspiller notre vie comme ça. Surtout après tout ce qui se passe entre nous.
Yes, especially with all that. I'm glad you see it that way. Let's wait and see what happens. Maybe there will be a way to flee through the tunnels once we've lit the beacon. There has to be. I'll go meet up with Sharim and the Grandmaster. I'll see you there.
D'accord. Oula. Pardon.
I can't believe Sigil Bearer Bartar betrayed us, not him.
Bah c'est triste, mais c'est comme ça.
Huh? What do you want?
Hey. On doit aller sauver le monde, je te rappelle. On sait jamais, vu qu'il peut y avoir un ennemi. Attends. C'est pas où. Non, c'est bon. Y'a personne. Personne. On avance. Shrink. Les épées tirées au clair. Ah, c'est ici, ok.
Poison gas tunnels. If there's one thing the Holy Order has always been, it's creative. My respect for that, I reveal.
Donc lors du prochain épisode, nous allons voir où ces catacombes vont nous mener, où ce tunnel vont nous mener, et j'espère que ce ne sera pas vers une mort certaine. Je vous fais de gros bisous à tous, je vous dis à la prochaine, je vous dis passez une bonne journée, ciao.